Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Ankit Bhatia filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure minus 0.12. Bring the contrast plus 47. Highlights minus 80. Shadows plus 26. Whites plus 4. Blacks minus 14. Go to curve. Follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the temp plus 2. Bring the tint plus 10. Vibrance plus 9. Saturation minus 10. Go to color mix. First go to red color. And bring the hue plus 13. Saturation plus 11. Luminance minus 14. Next go to orange. Bring the hue minus 13. Luminance plus 6. Go to yellow. Bring the hue minus 99. Luminance minus 10. Next go to green. Bring the hue minus 100. Saturation minus 76. Luminance minus 25. Go to sky blue. Bring the hue minus 25. Saturation minus 90. Next go to blue. Bring the hue plus 15. Saturation 76. Go to purple. Bring the saturation minus 31. Next go to pink. Bring the saturation minus 27. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity minus 16. Dehaze plus 8. Vintage minus 28. Bring the midpoint plus 12. Feather plus 99. Roundness plus 100. Go to split tone. And bring the hue to 183. And saturation 9. For highlights. And bring the hue to 168. For shadows. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening minus 15. Masking minus 60. And done. Now the pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.